Eco-capsule tent. This tent looks like a futuristic house, and it comes with all you need to live, even for a year away from civilization. Each of these modern houses comes with solar panels, wind turbines, and a special system to collect and clean rainwater. On the inside, you would find everything you need to live comfortably, including a kitchen with running water, a self-cleaning toilet, and a shower. The living area of the house is 86 square feet, enough for 2 people to live without problems. The first 50 buyers can buy this house for $94,600. Cube tent. Unlike regular low tents designed to spend the night in, this one is perfect for spending the day too. This tent is easy to put up in just a few minutes, and it comes in different models, depending on the amount of people who are going to use it. Its height varies from 85 to 100 inches, and the weight from 33 to 35 pounds. You can connect several cube tents between them using special mini tunnels. You can buy this unusual tent for $250. Coleman Cortes 6. This comfortable family tent can make any place nice and cozy, and is perfect for those who prefer active holidays. It's equipped with a spacious dorm room and a big living space, where you can put a table and seats for 6 people. Thanks to the unique construction of the doors, you don't have to unzip and roll them up like usual. The tent weighs 20 pounds and it costs $237. Pop-up tent. According to the creators of this tent, equipped with a solar battery and USB ports, you can put it up in only 1 minute. The power of the battery is 13,000 mAh. Also, the tent is covered with a light-reflecting surface that keeps the inside of the tent from overheating. 2 exits guarantee the best ventilation, and 2 LED lights inside are responsible for the illumination. The starting price of this tent is $225. Hammock. This camping house is a hybrid between a tent and a hammock. It gets fixed on the ground with solid aluminium poles, and it's rainproof thanks to its water-repellent nylon covering. As a hammock, it's capable of holding up to 287 pounds. The tent has 2 ventilation exits located in a special way in order to prevent condensing and to provide comfort. The total weight of the product, including the tent, the mattress, and the sleeping bag, is about 7 pounds. You can put together a few tents of these to create a small camping town. One basic kit costs $309.